Opening purview. Real estate in Nigeria is no longer just an old man's game. For the new generation of ambitious professionals, investors, and creators, property has evolved into a modern asset class, resilient, profitable, and prestige-driven. As economic realities shift and more young Nigerians seek long-term financial security, real estate is fast becoming the go-to strategy for building tangible wealth. And if you're looking for a blueprint of success, look no further than Sir Clement Okeowo, the dental surgeon turned real estate mogul whose story reflects grit, vision, and elite execution. From humble beginnings to architectural royalty, Okeowo's rise offers both inspiration and instruction. In this series, we explore why real estate is a smart move for young professionals, and what we can all learn from the life and legacy of one of Nigeria's most fascinating property tycoons. Series Introduction. It's Monday, the 21st of July, 2025. Welcome to the 90th edition of the Entrepreneur Series. In today's series, we will take a look at why Nigerian real estate is the next big play for young professionals, the rise of Sir Clement Okeowo. If you are visiting us for the first time, please subscribe, smash the like button, share this video, and help us grow our family. If you have already subscribed, then show your support by liking the video and making a comment. Now let's jump right back in. Nigeria's real estate landscape. Real estate in Nigeria represents both a fundamental need and a substantial investment opportunity. Despite macroeconomic volatility, urbanization, population growth, and the housing deficit, estimated at over 20 million units, creates a consistent demand for residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Young professionals, increasingly disenfranchised by inflation, currency depreciation, and limited access to formal pensions or securities markets, are turning to real estate for capital appreciation, passive income, and intergenerational wealth. The emergence of high-rise apartments, smart estates, and fractional property ownership platforms signals a generational shift in perception. The real estate boom, why now? Let's face it, Nigeria's economy is volatile. The naira fluctuates, inflation bites, and traditional investments often underperform. Yet, real estate remains one of the few asset classes that appreciates consistently over time, particularly in high-growth areas like Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt.
What makes real estate especially attractive for young Nigerians? Population growth. Nigeria's population of over 220 million is growing rapidly, creating a constant demand for housing. Urbanization. More people are moving to cities, driving up land and property values in urban and suburban areas. Rental income. Properties offer passive income through long or short-term rentals, e.g., Airbnb. Asset security. Land and buildings are tangible. Unlike stocks or crypto, they're real, visible, and hold long-term value. Who is Sir Clement Okeowo? Born into privilege but not complacency, Sir Clement Okeowo is the son of the late Oba Taiwo Joseph Okeowo of Ijebu-Oru, Ogun State. Sir Clement Okeowo trained as a dental surgeon but pivoted early into business. And what a pivot it was. What distinguishes Sir Okeowo is not merely wealth but the disciplined, deliberate, and strategic approach to building a real estate empire from modest origins. He first found success in steel fabrication, supplying materials for construction, an industry with significant overlap with real estate. But it didn't stop there. Okeowo transitioned into full-blown real estate development, where he made his fortune and fame. His most iconic property? The lavish and elegant Palacio de Okeowo, a mansion in Parkview Estate, Ikoyi, Lagos, that rivals presidential villas in scale and finish. But more than opulence, Sir Okeowo represents strategic thinking, long-term vision, and excellence. How Sir Okeowo made his mark in real estate. Start where you know, steel as the launchpad. Sir Okeowo's foray into steel gave him two crucial things. Capital to begin land banking. Industry insight into construction, logistics, and developer margins. Unlike many who jump into real estate blindly, he used a related business to gain an edge. He understood costs, materials, and project cycles before laying a single foundation. Land banking before it was cool. While others were fixated on Lagos Island or Victoria Garden City, Sir Okeowo began purchasing land in Ikoyi, Lekki, and Aja when prices were still modest. These areas later exploded in value due to infrastructure development and lifestyle demand. Land banking, buying and holding plots in upcoming locations, is still a viable strategy for young professionals today. Luxury as a brand strategy. Sir Okeowo didn't just build houses, he created status symbols. His properties are known for top-tier architecture, premium materials, unmatched interior design. He turned his projects into art pieces, commanding higher rents and valuations. This attention to detail became a key differentiator.
Full integration equals full control. Through his firm Gibraltar Construction, Sir Okeowo oversees everything from design and construction to sales and property management. This vertical integration minimizes cost leaks and maximizes profitability. His empire isn't built on quick wins but on building a controlled and sustainable value chain. Lessons for young professionals, Sir Clement Okeowo's playbook. You might not have a royal background or millions to splash on a mansion, but the Okeowo playbook is still actionable. Here's how to apply his strategies in today's world. Start small, but start smart. Use co-ownership platforms, real estate cooperatives, or fractional investment apps. You can begin investing in land or mini-flats for less than you think. Leverage expertise. Take time to learn about title documentation, land use laws, zoning regulations, infrastructure plans. Sir Okeowo's success was built on knowing more than the competition. Think long-term. Don't rush to flip properties for short-term gains. Value appreciation often happens over years. Patience is a profit strategy. Reputation is currency. In real estate, your name matters. Whether you're a broker, builder, or buyer, build trust, deliver value, and be known for quality. Okeowo's winning playbook in one sentence. Start where you are, know what others don't, build what others won't, and think longer than everyone else. This mindset separates moguls from mediocrity. The real estate market now, hotspots to watch. While Ikoyi and Lekki are still booming, many smart investors are looking at next-gen cities and corridors. Abeokuta, buoyed by rail and road infrastructure, vast agricultural land and proximity to Lagos. Ibadan, rapid development and tech interest. Asaba and Uyo, growing political and commercial relevance. Young professionals should keep an eye on these emerging markets where land is cheaper, regulation is improving, and population is increasing. Emerging trends to leverage. Tech and creativity are changing how real estate works in Nigeria. Some trends young professionals should capitalize on. PropTech platforms. From crowd-funded real estate to rent-to-own solutions, these tech startups reduce entry barriers. Short-term rentals. With tourism and remote work on the rise, Airbnb-type models can double or triple rental yields. Smart homes, eco-friendly and tech-enabled houses are becoming increasingly desirable. Gated communities, security and community living are now more marketable than ever. Okeowo's legacy and impact. Beyond skyscrapers and opulence, Sir Clement Okeowo's story is one of vision and values. What has he contributed? Employment. His businesses employ hundreds, directly and indirectly. Philanthropy. He invests in scholarships and development projects in Ogun State. Aspiration. For young Nigerians, he's a symbol of what's possible when business meets class.
Lessons and conclusion. The Nigerian real estate sector, though fraught with bureaucracy and capital intensity, remains a high-potential asset class. Sir Clement Okeowo exemplifies what is possible when vision, timing, and strategic clarity converge. Final thoughts. Building your own empire. Sir Clement Okeowo did not stumble into greatness. He saw what others couldn't, and he built with purpose. His rise in Nigerian real estate is a lesson in playing the long game, executing with precision, and thinking beyond trends. For young professionals in Nigeria, the time to invest is now. You don't need to start big. You need to start right. Research. Network. Invest early. Learn constantly. If Okeowo's journey teaches us anything, it's that real wealth is built quietly, consistently, and strategically. And in a country brimming with potential, real estate remains one of the surest paths to that wealth. Got questions or interested in starting your real estate journey? Leave a comment, share this post, or reach out directly for tips, mentorship leads, or entry-level opportunities in Nigerian real estate. Let's build our empires together. If you would like to know more, or wish to discuss brand sponsorship of any of our videos on entrepreneurship, please get in touch on any of the social media handles below. All our content is developed from real-life experiences in a professional and entrepreneurial journey that spans across 8 countries and 4 decades. Quote of the week: real estate cannot be lost or stolen, nor can it be carried away. Purchased with common sense, paid for in full, and managed with reasonable care, it is about the safest investment in the world. Franklin D. Roosevelt.